To all Amazon customers, I recommend this heater. My flat is a very big flat, 2-bedroom flat. I've got central heating on, and the central heating is on 70, and it heats up the whole of my flat. I don't have no curtains up, and this is why my flat's cold. I've got the central heating radiator on 24/7, and I still had to have a blanket over me on my settee to keep warm. Now I'm sitting here now in a vest. I'm sitting here in a vest with my central heating turned off, and the heater is on number 2. Let's have a look. Number 2, and that is still too hot for this room, so I'm going to turn it down. So to all the Amazon customers, I recommend this heater. It's the #1 choice for any cold house in the UK. Recommended by me, DJ Autos. Fantastic heater, £59, money well worth spent.
I don't know how it's doing this. It sounds like it's going to explode. It's not turning off. Where's the whale?